Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide a song on Spotify. So go for your Spotify app and go for this song that you wanna hide. So you can see here uh, two songs I have already hidden. So if I go for this song, so just go for this three dot option and just click on hide this song, and you can see here it's done. This is how you can hide a song on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.